Kunal, what are your high risk and low risk ideas for the day?
When you look at the components of stocks on the large cap front, there is a lack of follow through on price action for many of the large cap names. So whether it's the winners of yesterday, the likes of L&T, Glenmark, etc., which did pretty well for themselves, or whether it's the fresh amount of breakouts which you've seen, there is no also there is very important observation which I was looking at the charts for, and rather bid ask for many of the stocks on the F&O side as well. There is a dearth of liquidity in many F&O stocks as well. So I think in that aspect as well, I think it's probably an indication that the markets are in a consolidation in a range as such. And I think 15,000 plus or minus 100, 150 to 100 points. I think that's likely going to be the range for the Nifty. 35,500 is acting as a pivot for the Bank Nifty as well. So we've moved down 500 points yesterday. We moved up 500 points today, but we're still ambling at the 35,500 pivot. So I think till the time the liquidity doesn't come back again, the momentum doesn't come back again into individual stocks, it's going to be a bit of a a difficult scenario to try and pick up momentum trades. Now in that aspect, I'm suggesting a couple of buy calls, and the theme is to go a bit contra. Now Apollo Hospital, the stock which has been correcting from 3,100 to current levels of 2,900, is a stock which is now coming back towards a major support level around the 50-day moving average. And as I said, that it's possible that many of these stocks which have been dragging themselves a bit lower, they could probably try and pick up pace over the next couple of days. So Apollo Hospital is a contra buy. From my side, would look at a target of 3,100, and stop loss to be kept at 28.40 approximately. And the second stock which I'm suggesting is a buy in a mid cap name. Now mid cap stocks have done pretty well for themselves. Dawat or LT Foods is the stock which I would suggest as a buy. It's showing a classical breakout of a bullish flag pattern on the weekly and the monthly time frame charts above that 60 zone. It's consolidated for quite some time at this range of 60 approximately. So I believe that the breakout would be a decent breakout for LT Foods. Would suggest a buy with a target of 80 as a positional target, and stop loss could be kept at 52.
Rajesh, hi, morning. Let's keep it with the high risk and low risk ideas. Any exciting fundamental calls you have for our viewers today?
Good morning, everybody. As we all know that the market is in a consolidation phase from some point of time when valuations are higher, it looks for a trigger to consolidate or a profit booking. We have seen corona cases going up or liquidity being drying up. So these are good times to buy good stocks, and I would suggest two stocks at this point of time. The first one is Grasim. With a target of 1,500 odd rupees, the VSF and caustic demand volume have gone up, demand has gone up, even the realization has gone up. Fertilizer is doing well, and the best part is this company is holding Ultratech and ABCL, that's Aditya Birla Capital Limited. Ultratech is doing very well. They are going for an expansion. Today morning, there was a report from FII with a target of 8,000 odd rupees, and that's going to, if Ultratech moves up, that's going to show in Grasim numbers also. So, and they again hold holdings of 11.5% in Vodafone too. Numbers were quite good despite all those problems of soda underperforming, economy slowing down. Valuations are less than 25. So I think this stock can do wonders in a longer period, but for a medium-term target, we have 1,500. For a medium-term horizon, we have a target of 1,500. The second one would be Birla Corp. This again is a mid-cap cement company with a capacity of 15.4 million tons post-acquisition of Reliance Cement. They have a strong presence in retail front. Further, they have been pushing more on premium cement. They have lined up capacity additions, which the management had said that they would be building a capacity of 25 million tons by 2025. And with the government focus of infrastructure, affordable housing, I think cement companies as a whole are going to do well. Third quarter numbers were very good. They were up by 82%. Capacity utilization has gone up. And the best part is they have got a jute division which is doing extremely well. We have a target of 1,000 odd rupees in the medium term.